Here is a question on general organic chemistry. Read the question carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Basic strength is inversely related to the stability of the anion, i.e., the more stable the anion, the weaker the base. We compare the conjugate acids. A. CH3CH to CCH, terminal alkyne, pK 25. The carbon is sp hybridized, which provides moderate stabilization. B. CH3CH2, thiol, pK 10 to 11. Sulfur is larger and more polarizable, stabilizing the negative charge well, making S a weaker base than O or CC. C. CH3CH2CO2H, carboxylic acid, pK 4 to 5. The carboxylate anion is highly stabilized by resonance, delocalization over two oxygens, making it the weakest base. D. CH3CH2O, alcohol, pK 16. The alkoxide is on sp3 oxygen with no resonance stabilization, making it a stronger base than S or CO2. Ranking conjugate acid pKa values, higher pKa is equal to stronger base. A. pKa 25, D. pKa 16, B. pKa 10, C. pKa 5. Therefore decreasing order of basic strength, A, D, B, C. This matches option C. Why other options fail? A. B, A, D, C. Incorrect. S is not more basic than CC or O. B, D, A, B, C. Incorrect. Alkoxide, D, is not more basic than alkinide, A, since pKa of alkyne, tilde 25, pKa of alcohol, tilde 16. D, A, D, C, B. Incorrect. Carboxylate, C, is more stable, weaker base, than thiolate, B, so B should come before C. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.